हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू फिल्मी मंत्रा। मैं हूं राकेश और आज हम आपको एक ऐसे शख्स से मिलाने जा रहे हैं जो खुद तो खूबसूरत है ही, लेकिन बॉलीवुड में भी बहुत लोगों को खूबसूरत दिखाने का बीड़ा उठाया उन्होंने। अमायरा है हमारे साथ, बहुत सारी फिल्मों में स्टाइलिंग कर चुकी है। अमायरा, सबसे पहले तो ये जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई, क्या पैशनेट किया आपको, क्या सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड किया आपको इस जॉब के लिए? हमारी ऑडियंस को थोड़ा ब्रीफ कर दीजिए।
Thank you. Actually, I've been like very confused in the starting of my career when I have to choose my career. So that time, like, okay, being an air hostess used to inspire me a lot. Okay, I'll apply, and like I got selected, but still I didn't go for that. And I belong to a place called Lucknow. Oh. Yeah, and like over there, like I can't do a lot of experiments, like on my clothing and on accessorizing myself. But I was like since childhood, I've been like very much experimental on myself, and I was like okay, and I used to watch like Bollywood, Hollywood, like everything on TV, and I was like, okay, like what if I could like style these people there? So that would be like something really amazing. Wow. So that's like how like I started doing it on myself, though I can't do it like too much because parents and people over there, like they don't see you like, okay, you are into a like a profession or you are styling. They start judging you. But and the same time I started, okay, fine, I'll try to move to Mumbai, and I requested my parents, like, and they really understood me, and they're like, okay, fine, we'll support you. And that's the like I came to Mumbai in 2008, and but that time like I was not aware of this place. I wasn't introduced to anyone. Nobody knows about me. So there was one of my friend who has introduced me to one of the designers. So he was working for Kites that time, Kites, Rastu and Jashan. So I assisted him for that in the start. So and it was really very interesting, though as assistant not that much of a good pay, but still I used to like enjoy like every moment, and whenever like people used to admire, like appreciate my work, I was like on top of the world, and that has given me like more of enthusiasm, like to move ahead with the same career. So that's how like I have chosen like to work as a stylist, and kept on doing it, and have styled like couple of people, like worked for channels, and it has been like really interesting. Like yeah, still like a way. A lot of that has to go more ahead like in life. So yeah, I'm just expecting like for the best. With God's grace, things are going well, pretty well right now, and I expect like best like in my life. Yeah.
अच्छा, जैसे आपने कहा कि आपने बहुत लोगों को स्टाइलिंग किया है, तो सबसे स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है आपको बॉलीवुड में, और कैसे सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब एंजॉय किया आपने स्टाइलिंग करना?
I have really enjoyed like when I was doing this War Chhorna Yaar premiere, Sohali Khan. So yeah, so she has been like being a celebrity, but she's like way down to earth. Yeah. And but there are like lot of celebrities that like, okay, fine, only work is it is like just still work and work, that's it. Otherwise with her, she has been like very caring, very concerned, like okay, she'll take care of you like if you're there for working for her. So it was just 2 days with her, but she has been like always very much caring, and I styled for her, so I really enjoyed being with her. And I did not felt like for a moment, okay, like she's a celebrity or something like that. And also like for Rastu promos, I worked for Kangna, Hrithik, and these are like amazing people. Like you see a lot of gossips happening, but I just love them, the way they treat and the way the directors has treated me. Like they're like very good to me always. And then recently I did Behad Promotions, yeah, which comes on Sony. So yeah, so for the promotions I styled Aneri Vajani. So like I was like a little shocked when she called up, because I was working for a Zing channel before, and I did like around 14-15 episodes with them for Pyar Tune Kya Kiya. So I used to style like for the whole episode, like all the artists over there. And in one of the stories, she was there, and I was not like, she was not that known face that time. but she used to, you know, just love me like the way I used to dress up. And just all of a sudden, like after 9-10 months, she called up and she said, hey, I want you to style me for the promotions. I said, how come you remember me? She's like, no, I really love the way you dress up, the way you style yourself, so I want to look good the same way. So it was like very much heart touching, and I just loved it the way she you know, expressed it. So that's how like I started doing it. And like a lot of times, like on set, like people ask me to act as well. So I would like that's like just a part of my work, and like I enjoy it. I like, okay, fine, my costumes are ready, everything is ready, so like now, okay, fine, I'll do some acting also, something. So like for I did like a little bit like for Himesh Reshammia's music video. So I played a role of his assistant a lot, like while working for like costume and styling. So, and it was good, like coming on screen, like it makes you feel good, like, okay, fine, you can do this thing also. Yeah.
As you look so beautiful, so can we expect, can media expect to come into frame or something? Any acting for any class, acting class you did?
No acting class, nothing. It's just like, you know, like that time for us too, I that was just the starting. They asked me to do Kangana's hand double. I was just on set, things were like all sorted. So Mohit Suri, like he has sent his assistants to me, like because that time I was like having like the same hands that Kangana was having like for the movie. So they're like, I was like, how can I do it? Like, you know, they're like, no, just try it. And they really helped me, and I got into that mood, into that emotion. And that emotion I have to express in my hands. Like her wrist was cut, and then those emotions has to be there. And I did it, and they were like very happy. Yeah. And I was like, because for me, it's a big thing. For people, oh, it's just a handable, like, you know, nothing else. But for me, it's like just a big thing. Okay, how I could do like this? And then I watched that movie just because of to see check my hand, okay, it is there or not. So that was very exciting. And then like for Himesh Reshammia, like he was like, okay, he just saw me, okay, I want you for this thing. So that was like, sometimes you really feel good, like if you're dressing up, that really can change you as a person. And if somebody looks at you, like they're like, okay, fine, that's how like he looked at me, and he's like, no, I want you, I don't want that other girl who has come from casting and all. So like I did, like in my same clothes, I did with him. Yeah.
इसके अलावा अगर styling की बात करें तो we can see lots of tattoos. So tell us about that and show us what is that and what's the tattoo all about?
I have like several tattoos. Like my father sometimes tell me, one day you'll stop wearing clothes, like your body will be full of tattoos only. So I was like, no, nothing like that. It's just like, you know, there are a few things I love about life, and I just express it, like, and I'm like more into like creative stuff. So I love to, you know, because I have a love for roses. So there's this rose, and there is this mandala, then it has like all these arrows over here, like, which is like a sign of like perfection and power. So, and as well, my name Myra means like power and powerful and complete on the same time. So I just love this whole thing. Like I sat with the artist, and you know, I explained him like, this is what I wanted. Wow. Yeah, so that's how I explained it. Then I have a queen's crown over here. So it just like matches my my attributes, like yeah. So it just like fun, because I never used to have tattoo. I was like very scared with the needle thing. And yeah, and like with the injection, like, you know, with the injection I used to feel very scared. I was like, no, I can't, I just can't. And I used to like hold my mother's hand, my father's hand, no, I don't want to do it. So but still, like like everybody goes through a rough phase of their lives the same way I went through. And the same time, like, you know, I was not having like any kind of I was not afraid of that the needle is touching my skin or something. Right. And that's how like I started, when I got these tattoos done like in just last 3 years. Wow. So like I just like, you know, a lot of like love of tattoos and like expressing my thoughts, my expressions. So So that's how like it was like people were like, how come you can do it? I was like, no, I just love them, because a lot of people has this thing in their mind, because people do tattoos to hide their imperfections.
Correct.
Yeah, but it's not like that. That's like something, and it's also about your choice what we make in life. It's just about like what you love doing it. So that's all. I did it, because a lot of my friends keep telling me, no, it's not like that, like you're just trying to hide some of your skin problems or something. I said, no, like I've gone through a lot of surgeries, a lot of things has happened, but that doesn't mean like I'm hiding. Sometimes it can be with people like, okay, they don't want to memorize that memory, so maybe like that, and they just want to memorize that memory like as a beautiful thing, you know, what they really love. So you can take it in that way, not like something hiding your imperfections or something. So like I have been like life has taught me a lot of things, but I have been throughout like very positive and with a lot of hope, with God's grace. So
that's great.
Yeah, like that's great. Like I'm still alive, and that's the best thing of life. Like you're still alive, you're still able to move ahead in life, you're still able to achieve what you want to do in life. So that's the best part of my life. Yeah.
इसके अलावा ऐसा कोई ड्रीम है कि किसी को स्टाइलिंग करना हो बॉलीवुड में, अगर किसी एक्टर को अगर स्टाइलिंग करना हो, एक्ट्रेस को स्टाइलिंग करना हो, तो ऐसा कोई ड्रीम है कि इस एक्टर को मैं स्टाइलिंग करना चाहती हूँ? इफ़ यू वांट टू शेयर.
Yeah, I really love Kangna. I really have like been with her like for Rastu, and I wanted to like really style her personally, because the way she has been with me like for like a little time, but she has been like very nice human being. Like I don't know like what people talk about and all, but with me she has been like always very good, and I have come across that she is really one of the very like nicest person like I have come across in my life. And as a woman, like she has like gone through a lot of tough times, and still I come up with like, okay, now like look at me, I'm here. So it's something like that.
Correct.
So and that really inspires me.
Correct.
Because people, you can't stop them to talk rubbish.
Motivating.
Yeah, very motivating. Yeah, very motivating. Like, and I really loved it, because unless and until you know as a person, like you can't judge about, like people keep judging, like critics and a lot of things happening, but still like I really loved her. And even the Hrithik, like I am like, he has been like very good like to me. Like I don't know, like he always like matches me like with one of his childhood friend. Whenever he looks at me, like whenever like after ages if he'll see me, he'll say, oh hey hi, like this, like from his side. So it feels really good. And if fine, you are not able to recognize me, like okay, I styled that time, but yeah, you recognize me, you compare me with one of your childhood friend. Yeah, so that's like a lot of times I feel like few people are really down to earth. They are like not just like okay on top of the world, and okay they feel so great about it, but yeah, there is humanity. There are people like who really take care of the people who work for them. That's it.
Also we wanted to know कि अभी जो कांस में हमारी एक्ट्रेस जो गई है, ऐश्वर्या की बात करें या फिर दीपिका पादुकोण है, सोनम कपूर है, तो दे आर डूइंग वेल एंड प्राउड फील करा रहे हैं इंडिया को. तो व्हाट यू वांट टू से, एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू से अबाउट देयर ड्रेसेस एंड देयर क्लोथ्स?
Like everyone is like wearing like with perfection, like they all want to look great and all, but I would love to style Aishwarya, because like she's like just like like being on motherhood, she's just ignoring a lot of things, but I want to like make her look more young, more beautiful. Yeah, so but like as other celebrities, everybody is looking good on their own. She's also looking like best on her own, because she is like a Miss World, like she is the most beautiful woman. So but still a lot of times people just forget it, like okay fine, they just become careless. So yeah, so that's how like otherwise yeah, everybody is looking great and so confident. Like designers have worked so hard with them, and it was great to see them all.
तो अभी हम लोग को ये भी पता चल गया कि यू आर एन एक्टर ऑल्सो. सो एनी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट यू वांट टू शेयर विद अस एज ए एक्टर एंड एज अ स्टाइलिस्ट?
Actually, there is something coming up like for Tata Sky, and all of a sudden I was working for Best Deal channel. Yeah, yeah, and there was like some head of that place, Mr. Manish. He all of a sudden contacted me after 2 years, and he was like, I just want you to be as a fashion expert on the channel. So it will be like they'll be launching it like Sunil Shetty, and they will be there.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes. Like they're still busy with the launch, so the time they'll call up, like I'm a little excited because that would be the first time I would be talking about fashion on the show. So and giving gyan to youth. So that would be interesting.
Right.
Yeah.
What is your definition for fashion? What is fashion means to you?
See, there are like a lot of definitions coming up for fashion, but for me, like just going with the trend doesn't make sense. Like you have to always be in your comfort level, and sometimes you have to go out of your comfort level to look best, like because a lot of times we feel okay, like if you're like very plumpy, very fat or something, people feel like okay, I mean this thing won't suit me.
Correct.
But if that is that has been given to them in a proper balance, they can really come out really graceful, very good. Like as we can see, like there are like fashion shows happening like for plus size people.
Correct.
And I really love, like I would really love to style them, because and I want that myth to be gone out. Okay, if a person is thin, then only a person can look good and great.
Correct.
So it has to be like always comfortable, and feel comfortable. If you're going out from your comfort level, still you feel comfortable and feel just wow, okay, I'm looking just like out of the place, out of the box, and I am somebody like who is the most beautiful woman on earth. So that's how, like I don't have like any particular definition about fashion. It's just like what you want to do, what you want to wear, just go ahead with confidence. That's it.
Correct. So any tips you would like to give to audience for the summer season and coming up the rainy season?
Yeah, so like for rainy season, like it's going to come up, so gumboots are like the best, to preserve your beautiful feet, and so that's like the best thing for the footwear. And you can be like stick to your shorts, no matter what figure it is. Stick to your shorts. Have a umbrella, a interesting umbrella would do, a colorful umbrella. So just in a low budget, you can end up looking great. Yeah. So and as well as comfortable too.
थैंक यू सो मच हमसे बात करने के लिए, और ये थी अमायरा हमारे साथ. यू गाइस प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब फिल्मी मंत्रा. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi guys, this is Amayra Bhardwaj. You are watching me on Filmy Mantra. For more styling tips and more updates, please do follow me on my Instagram, that is Eclectic Amayra, and on my Facebook profile, that is Amayra Bhardwaj. Thank you so much.